Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We are working on Landrover Range Rover 2009. Our problem with this car is that we try to program the car. There is two identical key with a different blade. One blade is cut from the, two-way blade, and the other one is sideway. All high security. They are different for the same 2006, 2009. I tried to see what kind of data inside. I didn't get the data to know that they are different, but the only I know that if you change the blade thinking that you don't have all the remotes and you change the blade, they will not work. They will not work at all. So please try to leave the key with the blade as is and program it. If you don't have it, don't say, look, I don't have it and I have to change the blade. They are different keys, configuration inside the key. Here, let's see what is the step to program this. This one was, now it's working, and in order for you to program a Landrover key using especially this car, I believe you have to have two keys. You have to have one working key to add a key. But if you don't have no keys and you try to program one key, I believe it will not take it. It will not take the aftermarket key with this aftermarket tools. But if you have a dealer tools, maybe you will be able to do it. Now, also try to do an update on your hotel or all your tools. If there is an update, try to update it. Right now in this tools, they say that you can read clear 2019 up to 2021 Chrysler-Jeep codes. You cannot clear it with the other tool because of the gateway module or something that you have to bypass it to read it and to do the keys. Now I believe you can delete codes. The problem is with the Chrysler, even if you are using the dealer tools, you must buy a subscription to be able to clear codes. Very funny. So let's go now here. You know this car have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. This one here for keys and IMO. This one, if you need to program something, programmers, like chip, all this. This one you want to write key through dumps, or you read chips, and you read write chips. This is for the service. You change oil, you change brake, you want to do quick. Here for the services, reset light, reset tire, reset all the stuff. Here is update. The tool need an update. You click on it, it will look for it. You must have internet. You must have subscription too. Yearly subscription must be available. That means you must have internet to do this work. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to IMO, accept their disclaimer, conditions, whatever it is, and now go by VIN. It's more better because by VIN will give you an almost accurate information. This car is running now with the key, and I have another key that I need to add. You see the VIN number come, Land Rover. I will say read. I'm sorry, I already read it, and I touch read again. This is a touch screen. Always try to be, don't just go and touch. You see 2006, 2009 Range Rover. This is a car that we need to do the key for it. Okay, now I'm gonna go say yes. What you need to do, remote relearn, or is that also what I realize is if you finish programming it, the remote will not work. You have to do it manually. I will show you how you do. So now go to IMO scan. Just scan the IMO. Ignition on. I'm gonna just turn the ignition on. Say yes. VIM DTC. I have 3 codes. If you want to check the codes, yesterday I tried to check it with a Nissan. It doesn't want to go. You see a key transponder, control module communication off, bus, clear all the codes. It is better to clear all the codes before you start. It helps you not put the car into other problem. You see now everything is good. What do you need? Report. There is no, I don't need report. VIM. So I'm gonna go to immobilizer matching. start key writing that if you're using immobilizer writing chips. Immobilizer count 29. You see it doesn't have any option, just add a key. And you can read some information here, make it bigger a little bit, and look at it. Added key, at least one learn key should be prepared. When the add key function is performed, the key learned first is the learned key, and the new key have to be the next. When the add key function is performed, the learned key cannot be used if the procedure is not completed. So be careful when you do it. So I'm gonna go OK, add a key. I say yes. Let me turn the AC off. You say insert the learn key, do not turn the ignition on. Read it and be sure. I'm gonna turn this off. He say take the key out first, be sure that just put the key inside. Don't turn it. Do not turn the ignition on. Okay. Turn the ignition on within 5 seconds. Okay. Do you want to learn next key? Say yes. Turn the ignition on with the key you want to program. So take this one out, put this key in, turn it on, say yes. It may be fail. Turn the ignition off. Say okay. Learning fail. It say learning fail, right? Okay. Let me see now. I gotta say okay. Let me see now. Still. Say learning fail. Let me see this. This is start, the other one learning fail. We're gonna try again. Insert the learning key, do not turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on within 5 seconds. Do you want to program another one? Yes. Turn the ignition on with the key you want to learn. Turn the ignition off. Okay, fail. Let me see now. This is not gonna work like that. Okay, add a key. It doesn't want to take. Insert the key you need to learn. Don't turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on within 5 seconds. Learning says so. Do you want to learn next key? I will say yes. With the key you want to learn. This one I want to learn. Turn the ignition off. Learning fail. I don't believe so. Why? Doesn't want to work. So okay, we're gonna have another solution. Add a key. Yes. Enter the key you need to program. Enter the learning key. Okay. Say fail, okay. Let me see. It doesn't want to take. So we're gonna look for other solution. It doesn't want to take this key. We don't know why, but it doesn't want to take it, even though this key was well programmed and is from the procedure that they tell us. Still, it doesn't want to take it. So what we're gonna do is if that means the Landrover cannot do it, I don't know. And this is the only thing that we have. Immobilizer matching. Add the key. Okay. Say fail. Okay, 11 minutes we are trying, and this time here what happened is I have this key and I put it in. It doesn't want to work. And the other key with a skinny remote head also I tried, it doesn't want to work. So maybe this car need to have original dealer key. The one that I have it here, it doesn't work. I fixed the button, you remember? And this one here, I use the skinny one, it doesn't work. I use this one, it doesn't work. So thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. If you have any suggestion, please let us know. And I will continue in the next video to see what is the option for this car. Thank you. This is Muhammad Haru Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like.